Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I'm doing another vlog. We're going shopping today, so I thought I'd just bring you guys along. I'm finally back in California and it feels so good to be back. I missed all my products so much, but yeah, we're going to the mall today and probably TJ Maxx because I want to see what they have at this TJ Maxx in this town. So yeah, let's just go. We're at Burlington now in the mall and they have so much stuff. I'm so excited. I don't know why this mall has Burlington, but they do. And now we're going to see the Hygiene products. I haven't been to a good Burlington in a while, so that's what we're doing. Let me show you guys what they have. Okay, so there's not that much stuff here. I lied. I thought there was, but I think it's more so like the skincare. They have this, but it looks used, but nothing that's like exclusive that I can find here. We're at Marshall's right now inside of the mall, and I found this one. It's like the peach one. It looks really good, but kind of lazy to carry it the whole time. Also, they have so much at this one. I'm excited. They have this dog. But yeah. Have you guys tried any of like their skincare? Because I have not, because I'm scared to, but I kind of want to. Alrighty, so we just got back from the mall. Low-key a little bit of a fail. There wasn't that much good stuff, but we'll show you guys what we got. First thing, I went to Daiso and I got a new loofah. I thought this one was cute, and I love getting like a little back sponge. Those are like really nice. And we got some candy because I really wanted some Asian candy. What did you get?
Got some pre-workout.
And that's all he got.
Yeah.
And then I went to Forever 21 really quick. I got two of these like seamless bodysuits. One in white and one in gray. And that's pretty much it. And we also got a chocolate apple.
Oh yeah.
Or caramel apple. He got it for me.
It's in sliced.
Is it sliced?
It's sliced.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I asked him for it sliced.
Oh, okay.
I think it was apple pie.
Apple pie, yeah.
This is what it looks like.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's gonna be really hot, so I'll talk to you guys later.
This is sliced. Is this soy sauce?
Yeah. We're at sushi and we came to the Revolving Sushi place, which is so cool. But we ordered from here because it's just better. So we have salmon, garlic salmon, and tomato. Alrighty, you guys. So as you guys saw, we ate at Kira. That location honestly wasn't as good as the one I've had in OC. That one is really good. But we went to this bakery place. It's called Mr. Baker Bakery and Cafe. I'm not going to open it because we got some for his mom. Oh. This is what the box looks like. You can look at their Instagram if you want. But I didn't want to open it. I'll show you guys when we get to his house because I don't want it to look like ugly when we give it to his mom and stuff. But I think now we're going to drive to his hometown and then we're going to go to Target, TJ Maxx, and
grocery outlet.
So yeah, I'll see you guys there. We're at Target and we're in the baby aisle. I got a few things. I'll show you guys more later when we get to the house, but I got this body soap because I want to start collecting Crest body washes, which sounds ridiculous, but I do. But here we are at the baby aisle and I got some snacks. But yeah, we're gonna go to TJ Maxx next and then grocery outlet, and I will see you there. Now we're at grocery outlet and the music is super loud. What are you doing, sir? But yeah, I'm really excited because they have so many good things and I love hygiene products. So that's what we're doing. They have so many deodorants here. I kind of want to get this dry spray, but I'm trying to be good. So yeah. You guys, a new Big Lots just opened in my town and I went and got gas. Also, this is the next day. I don't know if I remember saying that. I didn't get enough footage from the day before because I had a really bad migraine and I just went home and went to bed. But it's the next day. I went and got a car wash, as you guys saw, and cleaned my car so it looks a lot cleaner. But I'm at Big Lots because a new one just opened, like I said. I'm really excited, so why don't we go ahead and go in and check it out. Here's what it kind of looks like inside. There's honestly not too much in stock, but yeah. Guys, this is something that's new, the St. Ives Cocoa Butter and Vanilla Bean Body Lotion. I've never seen this one at Target, so I think this one is pretty new. They also have some Dove lotions. I haven't seen Dove lotions anywhere, so that's pretty much it. I don't know if I'm going to get anything. I don't need anything, but yeah. So I'm back home. I was supposed to go pick up a package, but they said they couldn't find it and to come back tomorrow because it might not have been processed, but it's supposed to be my micro lab stuff. Anyways, I went to Big Lots. It was kind of a fail for hygiene products, but I did get some cleaning products. I got this broom and then I got some shower cleaner because my shower has been getting kind of crusty lately even though I clean it often. So I got this one specifically for showers, and then I got some sponges to help scrub it, and then I could use one for my dishes. And I found this, which is like a little suction shower basket, which these at Target are like $20 for one, and this was $8. So I just got one just to test it out because what if the suction isn't that great. But that's pretty much all I got. I'm also getting my COVID vaccine tomorrow. I'm pretty sure I'll vlog it tomorrow, and that'll be in the next vlog. I can't talk today. But yeah, I'm getting my COVID vaccine, my first dose. I'm really excited because I don't know, I want to get it. But now I'm probably gonna clean my kitchen because it's looking a mess, and we will clean our shower. So let's just cue the montage.
Before you educate the head, try to educate the heart.
Alrighty, you guys, so I finished cleaning. I'm so sweaty, and now I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower. So I think what I'm gonna use, I want to try out the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap. I just hauled this, so I'm gonna try this one out as my base clean. And for a body wash, my friends told me to use something moisturizing with this, so maybe I will use my Olay Cleansing and Firming body wash. These are pretty moisturizing in my opinion, so I'll use this one, and I think I will use the Olay Rinse Off body wash with it, or body conditioner with it as well. So I'll put that one in here. For a spray, let me smell this because I don't know what this smells like. It smells very fresh, so maybe I will go with Horizon Bloom by Victoria's Secret, and with that I'm gonna go ahead and just use my new Hemp's Sweet and Fruity lotion. So I'll use those 4 things together. I don't know if I'm gonna use a, what is it called? I don't know if I'm gonna use a bar soap because I hear this is really cleansing, so we'll see how I feel. Why don't we go ahead and fill up our new shower caddy with bar soaps though, so let's go do that. So here are some of the new ones I'm gonna go ahead and put in. I'm gonna just open them up and I will show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. Here's what it kind of looks like. I just suction cupped it next to my shower caddy. I put my shave oil and my baby oil next to them so that it would be like nice and stable inside. So I have the fig one, cream oil, rose, antibacterial, just a Dove regular white bar, a vanilla one, and cucumber. So yeah, that is what it looks like. I think I might have to go back and get some more depending on how stable these are. I want to wait a few days, but yeah. So right now I think I'm gonna try to reorganize my Hygiene collection because I'm low-key like outgrowing this little cart. Like I feel like I definitely need another one, but I don't feel like carrying it back when I have to move out of this place, so I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna try to reorganize my body mist because I bought so many and I have so many more that are coming, you guys. I ordered from the 550 sale and literally have so many more body mist coming from Bath and Body Works. But that's the great thing about this, is that since I do YouTube, it's kind of like my excuse to buy more stuff because like I get to show you guys and review more stuff for you guys. That's the really cool thing about doing YouTube. But I'm just taking out all my products. I have so many mists. I should definitely do like a project use it up because I need to. So I think what I'm gonna do is actually take some of the body mist that I really don't use too often right now, and I'm gonna put them in my closet because I wanna have all the ones that I use often and the new ones in this thing. So like Vanilla Bean Noel, I really don't use right now because it just is such a Christmas scent. I don't feel like using it. Champagne Toast, I just get so tired of that scent because it's super like citrusy. And White Pumpkin and Chai, like I'm not going to use that one right now as much. Also Golden Honeysuckle. So yeah, I also take out some of my body lotions out there and I'm just going to put them in my closet because that way they won't even like hit the sun. But I'm going to put all of like the Bath and Body Works ones in here. And also I don't use Hibiscus Paradise as much, so why don't we go ahead and just start stacking this.
Before you educate the head, try to educate the heart.
Okay, so I was actually able to fit everything in here without putting some of it in my closet. Also, I wanted to share with you guys this new body mist that I recently picked up. This is Sweet Like Candy from the Ariana Grande perfume line or body mist line. Let's just go ahead. It smells very sweet, but also a little fresh. I don't know what the fragrance notes are in here. I actually really love like celebrity perfumes and body mist, so yeah, I added this one to my collection. It looks just like the Bath and Body Works designs. Now all I have here are my body creams, so I think I'll just put these in my, what is it called? My closet. Alrighty, you guys, so that is the end of today's vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and shower and probably start a new vlog tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for coming along with me on my journey today and, you know, just watching my videos and commenting. I love you guys all so much. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!